Next part down here talks about how the nerves work. The nerves work and travel and control organs of the body, muscle tissue, things like that, even bone growth, and also your blood pressure, heart, everything else as we know, because it allows things to connect based on its function and stressors in the environment. Okay? So a normal nerve, you draw this, the nerve shell all the way through, one there, one here, you're going to get a better black pen in the future, one here. A normal nerve has a normal, what's called a sine wave, okay, meaning that it's going to flow nice and smooth, the high and low, the max and minimum, all the way through. Normal functioning nerve allows your muscles to stay relaxed, nerves to stay flexible, or to stay in a normal function. They don't overstress or minimize or hypofunction. Okay, I just make up words in my head. Sorry. Another one is going to be irritated nerve, where it goes above and below its normal range. At that point, is that going to be more relaxed, or is that going to be more of a stressed out muscle, tissue, or organ? What do you think?
Stressed out.
Stressed out, right? Everything wants to become stressed out to where at that point your muscles stay tight. Your organs want to become more hyperfunction. I feel they come in with cardiac arrhythmia, not because they have heart problems, they get checked out by their cardiologist. It's because their body is dealing with too much stress. So nerves make that heart going from the brain to the body become more irritated, more stressed out in a stress state. Any questions about that? Easy stuff, right? What happens when someone has, for example, foot drop or foot weakness or arm weakness, hand weakness? The body's intelligent. If you don't want to heal from here to here, over time it's going to shut things down and cause more permanent damage. Okay? What it'll do, go to more of a relaxed nerve from here, normal sine wave, very minimal sine wave, and get a less functional organ, muscle tissue, whatever it might be. Well, how do you think someone feels here? How's their mood? An irritated nerve. What do you think?
Not too good.
Not too bueno at all. Irritated, grouchy, road rage when they get out of the driveway. Done. Come home, irritated all the time. And over time, as they get that, they don't sleep very well. So over time, they go from being irritated, excited, to overall from there to being anxious and depressed. And people get this and they're on medication. Medication will help their muscles feel better, right? What they feel, or even sleep, but not fix the nerves causing the actual problem. So our job with the exercises we take here, how do we find the causation of the issue, not just how you feel.
Makes sense.
That's the plan. I'm trying to make sense. I'm trying. Any questions about this diagram?